Hello guys, this is Aryan, and in this video I'll be sharing 10 lines essay about chili. Number 1. Chili is a spicy fruit, but they are often treated as vegetables. Number 2. It comes in various shapes, sizes, colors and levels of heat. Number 3. Chili can be dried, ground or used fresh. Number 4. It is a staple ingredient in many hot sauces. Number 5. It is rich in vitamins A and C. Number 6. Eating too much chili can cause discomfort. Number 7. Chili plants thrive in warm climates. Number 8. They require well-drained soil and plenty of sunlight. Number 9. Different cultures use chili in diverse cuisines. Number 10. Chili peppers have been cultivated for thousands of years. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, kindly subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.